Okay, so another one of my favorite fonts. And these aren't necessarily in any order, but these are just some of the ones I find myself loading and using more and more and more. And this is one of them. This is a Lightside Attack by BK Saber Sounds. I got a few of his fonts, and I find myself using this one more and more because I really like the accent swings, like kind of bassy and I don't know the word for it, whooshy compared to the regular sounds. And I found myself drawn to those for some reason. And this is a good example. So, without further ado, Lightside Attack.
Imperial troops have entered the base. Imperial troops have entered.
Surrender, Jedi.
Blaster blocks. BK always seems to put really loud, sharp blaster blocks up. I love them. Not that everybody else does it. Clash. Lightning block. Lock up. I'll do stab and all that because I have not reset my blade, my config for the blade, 32-inch blade, so I don't really use stab anyway, or drag or any of that. If I do, it's on my 36-inch where it looks better. So he said this is kind of like from the prequels and just a generalized kind of light side saber. I love it. I love that deep whoosh, 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 whatever you say. Let's see what else. Force. Maybe. And retraction.
3.66 volts.
I think my new button's getting janky too. Or maybe I'm janky. Anyway, another one I love. Check it out if you haven't. He's got quite a few up there. Catch you later. May the force be with you.